In this S7 phone in download mode to flash the firmware on it. So I'll hold down the down button here plus the menu button, then the power button, and you hold them for 5 seconds. The screen comes up, so to continue to the download you would press the up button that is here. So that's ready for download. This is the holding software on the laptop to flash a Samsung phone. So I'll go ahead now and plug in the USB cable, which you will hear a sound in the laptop, and it added. That's added here, added. So it's ready for the software. So I'll click the bell to add the software here. Then I go CP. Then CSC. Oh, I didn't select it as it. Okay. And the last one is the AP. So the software that you use must be the same as the one on the phone. That would be I'm trying to get it to focus here. Having a problem here to focus. But you have to get the 7 first letters correct. Even if the other 4 letters isn't the same, but you must make sure that the 7 letters starting from the front is the same as the one on the phone. And the way you know the one on the phone, you would have to go to put the phone in recovery mode to get the number or the serial number of the software that is on the phone to make sure. So I'll go back now to the holding and I'll click on the AP app still loading. Still loading. So the 4 files has been loaded here. So I'll go ahead now and click on the start button. It is saying failed. It is saying failed. So I'll just start out that. So the process has started. So the phone, that line there is moving. It's taller and taller. So the line is gonna come right out here to finish. Right, the system is going there. Takes about 5 minutes to finish. Flash. I want to make my video short, so I'll be pausing it for a while. Do not interfere with the phone when it's in this process. If you interfere, it will cause an error and it can break the phone. So do not interfere in the phone until it is finished. It will say pass up here. It will say pass up here when it's finished. So you notice here, the line is going out to full, and it's going to be finishing at any moment now. files. The last thing is the modem, catch, removing the catch files. It has pass. The pass. So you can unplug the phone will reboot. You can unplug the card here. So that's it. So the Samsung S7 phone has been flashed. So this can get rid of the FRP lock and also the password lock on your phone. If your phone is in boot loop, this is the same process that you use to unlock it. So that's it. Please subscribe and like my videos. See you again.